Hello everyone, so today is day 19 of solving a LeetCode problem every day, and today I'm going to solve reverse a linked list. So I actually already solved this, but when I originally solved this and uploaded a video, I solved it iteratively, and I decided that I'm going to post another solution except doing it recursively this time. So reverse a linked list, given the beginning of a simply linked list, head, reverse the list, and return the new beginning of the list. So if these were your nodes in the linked list, if you have 0 pointing to 1, 1 pointing to 2, and 2 pointing to 3, you want to return it. So 3 is the new head, and now 3 points to 2, 2 points to 1, and 1 points to 0. So it's pretty much just reversed. Now, this is how I did this. So I started out with setting the parameter. I created a new variable called current, and I just set that to be head. And then what I did is so this is the base case of the recursive function, and it's either if current is none. So if for example, if we're given a case like this where we have an empty input, current is going to be equal to none. So in that case, we just want to return current, which is equal to none. Otherwise, if current.next is equal to none, we also want to return current, because what this would mean is that we've reached the end of the linked list. So as you can see here at 3, this has no next node. So it means we've reached the end of the list. So we want to return this value or this node to be the new end of the linked list. So this is why we return it. And as you can see here, we have a variable called new head, and we assign this to be self.reverseList current.next. So this is where we're recursively calling the function. And if you just kind of think about this for a second, so every time we call this, at some point, we're going to reach this base case of current.next being none. And basically what happens is this gets returned and gets assigned to be new head. And then it just kind of gets passed down the call stack, if that makes any sense. But anyways, yeah, that's kind of what's happening. We grab this last node as the next head, or the new head, sorry. And then here is when we reverse the links. So what we say is, so for example, if we're here at 2, because we returned 3 as the new head, so we're at 2 now. We're saying current.next, so that's 3, dot next is equal to current. So now we just create a pointer from 3 to 2, and then we set current.next to be none, so we can clean up that link that goes from 2 to 3. And then at the very end, we just return new head as the new head of the linked list. So the time complexity of this is going to be O of n, since it's linear, since we don't have any nested for loops or anything like that. We're only processing each of these elements once. So yeah, that's my solution for the day.